Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Clip Your English. I'm Mia, and I'm so happy you're here today.
Hey, I'm Ethan. Great to have you listening.
So, today we're talking about something super important: how to introduce yourself in English.
Yeah, this is literally the first thing you do when you meet someone new.
Exactly. Whether it's a job interview, making new friends, or traveling, you need to know how to talk about yourself.
And the good news? It's not that hard once you learn the basic structure.
Right. So by the end of this episode, you'll know exactly what to say when someone asks, "Tell me about yourself."
And stick around, because we're going to show you common mistakes and how to avoid them.
All right, let's get started.
So Mia, do you remember the first time you had to introduce yourself in English?
Oh, wow. Yeah. I was so nervous. I was maybe 15 in an exchange program,
Uh-huh.
and I had to stand up and say, "Hi, my name is Mia." But I was shaking the whole time,
That's pretty normal though.
right? But after I did it once, it got easier. What about you?
Oh man, mine was terrible. I forgot to say where I was from. Just said my name and stood there.
No way.
Yeah, awkward. But that's why we're doing this episode, so you don't have those moments.
Exactly. And honestly, knowing how to introduce yourself, it's about confidence.
Yeah. When you know what to say, you feel comfortable and people want to talk to you more.
Such a good point. Okay, let's break it down.
So, when you introduce yourself, there's a simple structure you can follow.
Yeah, like a recipe. You just need the right ingredients.
I like that. So, first, your name. My name is, or I'm.
In casual situations, people usually say, I'm. It's more natural.
Good point. So, I'm Mia instead of my name is Mia.
Right. My name is sounds more formal.
Okay. Next, where you're from. I'm from, and then your city or country.
Yeah, like I'm from Seoul or I'm from South Korea.
You can even add details. I'm from a small town near Tokyo.
Nice. That makes it more interesting.
Next, what you do, your job, or if you're a student.
Right. I'm a teacher or I work as a graphic designer.
Or if you're studying, I'm a student at Tokyo University.
Perfect. And then hobbies. People love hearing about this.
Yeah, like I like, or I enjoy, or in my free time, I.
Like I enjoy hiking or I like reading and cooking.
Exactly. And finally, you can mention your personality a bit.
Yeah, like I'm friendly or I'm curious and love learning new things.
So let's recap. Name, where you're from, what you do, hobbies, and personality.
And you don't need all of these every time. Just pick what feels natural.
Right. It's flexible. Okay, let's hear this in a real situation. A job interview.
Got it. I'll start.
Good morning. Thank you for meeting with me.
Good morning. Please have a seat. Tell me about yourself.
Sure. My name is Ethan Park. I'm from Vancouver, Canada. I'm 28 years old, and I'm a software developer. I've been working in tech for about 5 years.
Great.
In my free time, I enjoy reading about new technologies and hiking on weekends. I'd say I'm hardworking and detail-oriented. I enjoy solving problems and working as part of a team.
Excellent. Thank you, Ethan.
So that was pretty formal, right?
Yeah. Polite, clear, structured. You gave all the important information.
And notice I said I am instead of I'm sometimes. That sounds more professional.
Right. And you talked about work experience and skills.
Exactly. You adjust based on the situation.
Okay, now imagine you're at a coffee shop meeting someone new. Way more relaxed.
Got it.
Hey, I don't think we've met. I'm Mia.
Oh, hey, nice to meet you. I'm Ethan.
Cool. Where are you from?
I'm from Vancouver. Well, actually just outside Vancouver. Pretty quiet there.
Oh, nice. I've always wanted to visit Canada.
You should. What about you?
I'm from Seoul originally, but I've been living here for 3 years now.
Oh, wow. So what do you do?
I work in marketing. It's pretty fun. You?
I'm a software developer. Pretty nerdy stuff.
No way, that's cool. What do you do for fun?
I love hiking, and I binge watch way too many shows.
Same. I also love photography. I take my camera everywhere.
That's awesome.
Okay, so that felt way more natural, right?
Yeah, super casual. We used contractions like I'm and I've.
And we asked each other questions. It wasn't just one person talking.
Exactly. That's a real conversation.
And we used filler words like and well.
Right, because that's how people really talk. Don't worry about being perfect.
All right, let's talk about common mistakes.
First one, overusing I am instead of I'm.
Yeah, if you say I am every sentence, it sounds robotic.
So instead of I am from Seoul, I am a teacher, say I'm from Seoul, I'm a teacher.
Much better. Next mistake, forgetting articles.
Ooh, big one. People say I am student.
But it should be I'm a student. You need that
Same with jobs. I'm a teacher, not I'm teacher.
Exactly. Next, using vocabulary that's too complex.
Yeah, you don't need big fancy words, just keep it simple and clear.
Right. And another thing, talking too much without pausing.
Yeah, take your time. It's okay to think before you speak.
Exactly. And one more tip, practice out loud.
This is so important. You can't just read it in your head.
No, you have to actually say it. Your mouth needs to learn the movements.
Exactly. So grab a mirror or record yourself and practice.
Okay, everyone. Now it's your turn. We'll say some sentences, and you repeat after us. Ready? Here we go.
My name is Ethan.
Good. Next. I'm from Seoul, South Korea.
Nice. Another one. I'm a software developer.
Great. How about, in my free time, I enjoy reading.
Perfect. Now the full introduction. Hi, I'm Ethan. I'm from Vancouver, Canada. I'm a software developer. In my free time, I enjoy hiking. I'm hardworking and love solving problems.
Excellent. Remember, you don't have to memorize that exact introduction.
Right. Use it as a template. Fill in your own information.
All right, everyone. Let's recap what we learned today.
We covered the basic structure: name, where you're from, what you do, hobbies, and personality.
We showed you a formal example for job interviews and a casual one for meeting friends.
We talked about common mistakes like forgetting articles and using vocabulary that's too complex.
And we practiced together. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it'll feel.
Yeah, don't be afraid to mess up. That's how you learn.
So now we want to hear from you. In the comments, write your own introduction using what we taught you.
We'll read them all. And if this helped, please hit that like button.
And subscribe for new English lessons every week. We cover grammar, pronunciation, and real conversations like this.
Yeah, don't miss out. And let us know, which part did you find most helpful, the formal or casual introduction?
Tell us in the comments. All right, that's it for today. Thank you so much for learning with us.
Keep practicing, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.
See ya!